Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a whimsical addition to your garden decor that's been turning heads: the Olekki Dinosaur Eating Gnomes garden decor statue. A T-Rex, meticulously hand-painted with vibrant colors and crafted from weather-resistant resin, standing at 12.6 inches tall. This isn't just any garden statue. It's a playful statement piece that adds a touch of Jurassic charm to any outdoor space. The attention to detail is impeccable. From the fierce expression of the T-Rex to the terrified gnomes in its jaws. Every element is carefully sculpted to capture a moment of humor and intrigue. Made from high-quality resin, this statue is built to withstand the elements, ensuring durability and longevity in your garden. Whether you place it in your garden, on your patio, or amidst flower beds, it seamlessly blends into various outdoor settings, sparking conversation and smiles. Looking for a gift that's both creative and practical? This statue is perfect for birthdays, housewarmings, or any occasion for the dinosaur enthusiast in your life. Now, you might be wondering, why choose the Olekki Dinosaur Eating Gnomes garden decor statue over others? Drop your answers in the comments. Apart from its captivating design and quality build, it's the sheer joy it brings. It's not just a decoration. It's a conversation starter, a piece that brings laughter and whimsy to your garden. In conclusion, if you're looking to add a touch of prehistoric fun to your outdoor space, look no further than the Olekki Dinosaur Eating Gnomes garden decor statue. With its impeccable craftsmanship, weather-resistant durability, and undeniable charm, it's a choice that promises to make your garden a place of laughter and delight. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on innovative products like this one. Until next time, happy decorating!